Okay, welcome back guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can publish your book on Amazon KDP. All you need to do is just go to Google and type kdp.amazon just like this and click to this website. It will open just like this, and if you are new here, you just need to sign up. You need to open a new account. For me, I don't have to open a new account because I have already opened it before. So I'll sign in. I sign in like this. Click create. After clicking create, you have to come here and create an ebook. Directly the page will open and bring you to a space that looks like this, and you have to select your language. For me, I'll select English, and you have to put your book title, and my book title is Mastering. Let me put it in capital. Mastering the Art of Trading. This is my book title. Comprehensive guide to become a professional trader. So I'll make capitals of every first word. It looks good like this. Capitalize all the first words. So a comprehensive guide to become a professional trader. This is the subtitle of my book. On series, if your book has series, you have to add it. But for me, I don't have any series. This is my first book that we are going to publish together. And if you have edition number, if it's first edition, second edition, fourth edition, you have to add it if you have. Alright, so this is a segment for contributors. If there's someone else has contributed on your publishing process, or when you are writing your book, you have to give them credit on this segment. Alright, the person can be a photographer, can be a translator, can be an editor, but for me, I don't have, so I'm not going to add anything in this segment. For here, I'm going to add myself as an author. My name is Deus. My last name, Safari. I'm going to add it like this. I don't have any contributors. And here is a description. Description is the most important part when you're trying to publish your book on Amazon KDP, because buyers or readers is the first thing that they are going to come across with, and they're going to use your description to judge the content that are going to be inside your book. So on description segment, you have to make a research and create something that's contain a brief information about your book. It's just like a summary of your book, what you're going to tell the readers in brief, in a short way, that your book is about. For me, I have prepared it already. It's here on my desktop. I'm going to copy paste it just like this on my desktop. I have to copy it. I'll go back and paste it here just like this. Boom, it's here, right? So my book is Mastering the Art of Trading. If the reader is going to read this information here, they are going to get a brief information of what is going to be inside the book that we are going to publish today. Alright, let's go down. This segment is about publishing right. If you own the right of the book that you're going to publish, you have to tick this box here. You own the right. And another important segment is here. These are keywords, like search them. When a person who have no idea of what they are going to buy on Amazon KDP, they are trying to search some words. Those words are like search them. So you have to make a research on what people searching, on the type of information or what people are searching, right, about finance book. So for me, I have made a research before, I have prepared it, it's here on my desktop. I'll have to copy and paste it one by one. I'll copy it, go back, I'll paste it here, I'll go back again, I'll copy another word. These are most searched word about finance books. I copy it here, paste it here, I go back again, I copy it, I paste it here. So you have 7 options. For me, I'm going to, for illustration, I add just three terms, like fundamental analysis of marketing, market research, technical analysis and charting, risk management and position sizing. So these are the most searched words that readers, they're trying to search when they're trying to find a book that they're going to use to learn some trading skills. Alright, you have to put category of your book. My book falling in education, it's education, right? I'm going to pick education. Which kind of education? You have to select. It's supposed to be finance because it's finance education, so I'm going to tick this box here, then I'll save. Cool, it looks nice, right? You have to put age restrictions. So minimum age of the person that can understand this book is 12, right? So minimum age is 12. I'm going to set it like this. Alright, so I'll save and continue. They want me to fill all the information. And maximum age 18 plus. Alright, so I'll save and continue. It is saved, done, right? Let's go to the next step. On the next step, you have to upload your manuscript, right? You have to upload your manuscript, and the manuscript is the whole book that you're going to upload. For me, I have prepared it. It is here on my desktop. Click it. It's uploading. Take like a few seconds. You have to be patient, successful. It's done, right? Then on the cover segment, you have options. So you can upload the cover that you have prepared already on different websites. You might use Crello or Canva or something else. You can upload here. And there's another option that you can use, direct cover creator on Amazon. You're going to choose the direct cover creator on Amazon. Till open. And here you have different templates, right? We have it. So we are going to use one among the templates that will look right for us. We have different templates right here, and I think this one looks better. I'll pick this one. Alright, this one looks better. Here's the name of the author: Cohesive Guide to Become a Professional Trader, Mastering the Art of Trading. So this one looks nice. Cool. Preview. Take some few seconds. Alright, it looks like this. Nice, right? Save and submit. Okay, this is the next segment that we have to fill. This is the next segment that we have to fill. If your book has ISBN number, you have to fill it. If you use another publishers, you have to fill the information here. We don't have that kind of information, so again to save and continue. It's preparing my file. Take few seconds. It's done, right? Okay, now we are going to the last part, which is pricing. On pricing, you are going to choose royalties and distribution. So for us, we are going to choose 70% distribution, and here you're going to pick the price of your book. The goal for me to prepare this book was to make this book affordable for everyone anywhere in the world. So I put the minimum price. Let's say you're going to sell this book for $5. Just $5 you can learn and become a professional shader by just $5. Alright, on other part of the world, my book could be sold for this price, right? In India, my book would be 413. In UK, it would be €4. In France, it would be this price. Alright, Italy will be this price. So you have to go down. If you click publish, your book will be available to buyers. But right now I cannot publish because I haven't completed filling all the details of my profile. So I'm not going to publish it right now. But for you who is following this tutorial right now, if you have completed all the details just like the way we have done before, you get to this point here. If you click here, the book will be published. Thank you for following this tutorial, and thank you so much for staying with me until this point. Please like and subscribe to support my channel and for more great content. Thank you.